Question 5 of September 2024 WASSCE. Welcome to the channel Taxonomy Online Mathematics. So the mean age in years of T girls in a class was 17.6. At the end of the academic year, 4 girls aged 16, 19, 20, and 17 were dismissed. The new mean age of girls in the class became 0.2 less than the original mean. So we have to find the value of what? The T. So in this case, we're looking for how many students were originally in the school. That is the name for the T, right? What are we going to do with mean? Mean is sum of ages divided by what? The number of what? Students. That is going to be added. So let's see how we can do that. So now let's pick the information from the question. We know number of students has been given as T. So we can find the mean age to be equal to the summation of all the ages divided by the number of the student, which in this case is going to be what? T. But we have been given the mean age, right? The mean age in years in a class was this. So this will be equal to 17.6. Picking from here, you can see that we can cross multiply to know what the sum. This is the summation of all the ages will be equals to T times 17.6 T. So that will be the first equation we can get from the first part of the sentence, right? Then at the end of the academic year, 4 girls with their ages this has been dismissed, which means out of the 17.6, which is the sum of all the ages, this number of ages is going to be taken out, because this is the total number of ages. When we add all the ages in the class, this will be the total, right? Then 4 of those girls has been dismissed, meaning their ages will be taken out of this. So let's find the total number of ages of the 4 girls. This is going to be 16, 19, 20, 17, right? 1, 2, 3, 30, 50, 70, 72. So we have 72, which means the ages that we are going to take away from here. So we can say that the new sum of ages, which we can still use this one, will become, this is the one we are having. So the whole of this minus what? This. That will be 17.6 T minus what? 72. So this is the sum, right? We can now find a new mean. So the new mean is going to be the summation. The summation. What is the new summation? Which is 17.6 T minus 72 divided by the number of students in the class. And how many students are going to be left? There were T number of them in the beginning. 4 of them were dismissed, meaning there will be 4 less. So that is going to be T minus what? 4. All right. What is next? This mean age has been given to us as 0.2 less than the original. What is the original? This. So this second mean is less than the first mean by 0.2, meaning the whole of this become 17.6 minus 0.2 equals to 17.6 T minus 72 divided by T minus what? 4. So now we can do our cross multiplication, since this is going to be a fraction of its own divided by 1. we cross multiply. When you subtract this, 0 from 17 will be 17, 2 from 6 will be 4. So I'll be having 17.4 equals to this. And when I cross multiply, your 17.4 will be multiplying t minus 4, and that will be equals to 17.6 t minus 72. Don't forget there was 1 here. That one multiplied the numerator to give us the same. Then this denominator multiply the 17.4. So t times this will still be 17.4 t minus 4 times 17.4. That will be 69.6 equals to 17.6 t minus 72. So now we see t. We group like terms. I can see this is less than this. So I'll be subtracting 17.4 t from both sides. Then I'll also be adding 72 to both sides. Meaning 72 comes to the left as positive 72. Then minus 69.6 equals to 17.6 t minus 17.4 t. Let's see what that will make. 72 minus 69.6, that will be 2.4 rather, equals to the difference already was 0.2, so 0.2 t. So now we know where we are now is to divide both sides by the 0.2 to know what the t will be like. So now from here it becomes 2.4 divided by 0.2, 0.2 t divided by 0.2. So what would that be? That would be, this will be 12. This will cancel to give you t. Therefore, the value of t will be 12. Simply put, there were 12 students or 12 girls that were in the class originally, whose mean age was 17.6. I guess you follow through from the beginning. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.